Ever wondered how to convert your Tron, TRX to USDT on Binance using your phone? Well, you're in luck. Welcome to the wild, wild west of the digital age, a place where cryptocurrencies are the new gold. It's an exhilarating world, fraught with volatility and opportunity, where knowledge is power. Knowing how to manage your crypto assets, like converting your Tron to USDT, is an essential skill. So buckle up, folks. Get ready to embark on this crypto journey and let me be your guide. Before we dive in, let's get a clear understanding of what TRX and USDT are. TRX, or Tronix, is the beating heart of the Tron blockchain, a digital currency that's as vibrant and dynamic as a salsa dancer on a Saturday night. It's used to power operations and applications within the Tron ecosystem, making it the lifeblood of this ever-evolving digital world. On the other side of the coin, we have USDT, or Tether. It's a stable coin, which means it doesn't perform the salsa, it's more of a steady waltz. It's tied to the US dollar, making it a reliable and stable value holder in the roller coaster world of cryptocurrencies. These two dancers, TRX and USDT, often meet on the dance floor of Binance, one of the world's most popular platforms for crypto transactions. Here they can be exchanged, traded, and converted with ease. Now that we know our players, let's get down to business. Ready to convert your TRX to USDT? First things first, you need a Binance account. It's like your digital wallet for the crypto world, only cooler. Grab your phone because we're about to dive in. Head over to your app store and download the Binance app. It's free and user-friendly, just the way we like it. Once installed, tap on register and follow the instructions. And remember, your email is your best friend here, it's your unique identifier. Next, set a strong password. If you're thinking password 123, let's just say you can do better. Opt for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. The trickier the better. Now here's the important part. Security. Enable two-factor authentication. It's like having a guard dog for your account. You'll need to provide a second verification step every time you log in. With your Binance account ready, you're one step closer to your conversion. Now, let's navigate the labyrinth that is Binance. It's a bit like finding your way through a corn maze, but don't worry, we won't let you get lost in the crypto cornfield. First, make sure you're logged into your Binance account on your phone. Once you're in, tap on the markets icon at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to a whole new world of trading pairs. Now you don't want to wander aimlessly here. In the search bar at the top, type in TRX USDT. It's like typing in the secret code to a hidden door, and voila! The TRX USDT trading pair will appear before your very eyes. Remember, TRX stands for Tron and USDT for Tether. It's like meeting two old friends in a crowded party, isn't it? Congratulations, you've successfully navigated the labyrinth and found the treasure chest. But hang on, the adventure isn't over yet. You've found the treasure chest, now let's unlock it. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the conversion process. Ready for the magic to happen? Let's dive right in. Firstly, make sure you've got your Binance app open on your phone. Navigate over to your wallet. That's where all your shiny TRX coins are sleeping, waiting for their big day. Now here's the part where you need to be extra careful, selecting the TRX coin. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new screen. Choose the trade option. You'll see a whole list of potential trading partners for your TRX, but we're looking for one in particular, USDT. Seek it out in the list and give it a tap. Now you're on the trading screen, you'll see a couple of options. Sell TRX and buy USDT. It's a bit like a crypto market love story, isn't it? Well, we're playing the matchmaker today. So go ahead and tap on Sell TRX. You'll need to enter the amount of TRX you want to convert into USDT. You could go all in or just test the waters with a small amount. Remember, in the world of crypto, it's all about playing it smart. Once you've decided on the amount, hit the Sell TRX button. This is the final step, the moment of truth. You'll be shown a summary of your transaction. Check, double-check, and triple-check all the details. Make sure everything is right. The amount of TRX you're selling, the amount of USDT you're getting, the conversion rate. If everything looks good, tap confirm. Now hold your breath, tap confirm again, and voila! You've just converted your TRX into USDT. Give yourself a pat on the back. You've just pulled off a crypto conversion. Congratulations, you've successfully converted your TRX to USDT, but wait, there's more. Now you can confidently convert your TRX to USDT on Binance using your phone. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Let's take a moment to recap the process. First, we dove into the crypto world where we learned about TRX and USDT. We then moved on to getting started on Binance, a journey that took us to the right place on the platform. There we unveiled the conversion process, a step-by-step guide that'll have your TRX morphing into USDT faster than a chameleon on a rainbow. The key takeaway? It's all about staying informed. The world of cryptocurrency is as vast as it is volatile. It changes faster than a hare in a high-speed chase. And while we can't predict the future, we can equip ourselves with the knowledge to navigate it. That's where this channel comes in. Consider us your crypto compass, your blockchain beacon, your digital currency detective. We're here to help you stay on top of trends, understand complex processes, and make informed decisions. So, if you're ready to dive deeper into the crypto ocean, to explore the uncharted territories of this digital frontier, then this is the place for you. And remember, in the world of cryptocurrency, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more crypto wisdom. Until next time, keep those coins flipping.